Hi. These machines here are the Macintosh Portable and the MacBook Air 11-inch mid-2011. The Macintosh Portable was Apple Incorporated's first attempt at making a battery-powered portable Macintosh personal computer that held the power of a desktop Macintosh. It was also the first commercial off-the-shelf portable computer used in space and the first to send an email from space. It weighs 15.8 pounds, and its dimensions are 4.05 inches height by 15.25 inch width by 14.83 inch depth. Released on September 20th, 1989, it was received with excitement from most critics but with very poor sales to consumers. It featured the black and white active matrix LCD screen and a hinged cover that covered the keyboard when the machine was not in use. The mouse function was handled by a built-in trackball that could be removed and located on either side of the keyboard. It used expensive SRAM in an effort to maximize battery life and to provide an instant-on, low-power sleep mode. This specific machine is a 5126 backlit with 4 MB of RAM and 40 MB hard disk. Unlike later portable computers from Apple and other manufacturers, the battery is charged in series with the supply of power to the computer. If the battery can no longer hold a charge, then the computer cannot run on AC power and hence it will not boot. Just like this machine here. The MacBook Air 11-inch mid-2011 was introduced on July 20th, 2011. Apple released it as an updated model in the same form factor as the redesigned model released at the end of 2010. While the maximum flash storage and memory options remained almost identical, and the backlit keyboard was re-added, it also had several upgrades. The mini DisplayPort was made into a Thunderbolt port, the processors increased to dual-core Intel Core i5 and i7 ones, and the Bluetooth was upgraded from 2.1 plus EDR to 4.0. This NA here has a built-in memory 4.0 GB PC 10600, 1333 MHz DDR3 SODIMM. This is the maximum memory. Built-in display 11.6-inch diagonal LED backlit glossy widescreen. It has Intel HD graphics 3000 and 384 MB of DDR3 SD-RAM shared with main memory, up to 2560 by 1600 pixels and FaceTime camera. Weight 2.38 pounds, and its dimensions are 0.11 to 0.68 inches height by 11.8 inch width by 7.56 inch depth.